Hi everyone, welcome back to Guru's Library, and in today's video I'm going to do some book haul, some book unboxing that was waiting for a long time. Actually I already did book unboxing because I already tear all those wrappers and I started reading some of them, but I'll tell you what I ordered and what I'm expecting from it. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first book is 7 Years in Tibet. So this book is something which I found which I find by doing a lot of search, where I saw that what was the reviews, what was actually the price of this book, and also how is the rating. So this book is written by Henrik Harrer, and this is based on a true story where this author Henrik, so he visited Tibet during the World War II situation when it was happening, and he lived there for 7 years, and he learned a lot of things. And this book is a complete exploration journey of Tibetan culture, and also it talks about a lot of stuff related to some climbing, mountaineering. So if you really into some travel related content, travel related reading, so this book will be the best for you. And I ordered it for something 350 rupees. So on Amazon I got it. So yeah, this was the first book. Second book is Not the End of the World. So this book is some I actually saw it on a Instagram page. So it was related to some environmental related books that I was searching for, and I got this book. And this book received a lot of reviews that are positives, and also it talks about many things related to environment. So personally I feel I have a very deep connection with environment, so I want to understand what are the things that we can cover in the environmental topics, and this year I decided to read some books related to it. So yeah, this book, Not the End of the World, you should order. I ordered it for somewhere around 370 rupees. It was during the New Year time, so this book I got some discount on it. So yeah, this is the second book. Now the third book is Share in Pauna Bazaar. So I was also thinking of reading some books which is related to Northeast India, because recently I visited Sikkim and it's a very pretty place. I mean, if you really want to see what beauty we have in India, so you should visit Northeast India, and people are so good, people are so nice. So Sikkim I visited, and I decided to read some books on Northeast India, but like I found like there are very less books on them, like related to some stories and all. So because of that I decided to search books that are actually right now trending, or maybe they have some good reviews, they have good stories. So this Share in Pauna Bazaar is written by Kishle Bhattacharya, and he is a reporter, I guess. Not a reporter right now, but he was a reporter, and he described the stories of some conflicts, some cultural traditions that is a part of Manipur, which is a part of Northeast India. Also we see a lot of news where things related to some cultural conflict, ethnic conflict is going on. So I wanted to understand from scratch what was then and what is now. So this book is something which I feel will give me some insights, not complete insights, but to start with, it's a book. So this is the third book, and the last one is Industry 5.0 and Data Economy. So yeah, this book is also related to environment. So as I already told you, like environment is something which I am going to focus on this year. So just to educate myself, what are the topics, what are the things that we can cover. So based on that, I saw that this book it had like covered a lot of topics related to some recent stuff, the data economy that we talk about, how is it's going to be implemented in the environmental issues. So because of that I ordered this book, and I'm hoping to get some good insights from it. So yeah, these are the 4 books right now that I have ordered, and there are 2 more books which is on the way. So in this video it was something which I wanted to talk about only these 4 books that I recently ordered, and going forward I'll do a separate video where I'll be talking about what are the books that I'm reading right now, and I plan to complete it in 2025. So yeah, this is something which I wanted to address. Meet you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.